Hello guys and welcome to the new space in the virtual platform that we have today. So we're going to start explaining a topic that to finish this term about the volume measurement. Ready? So but I'm going to start with the definition of volume because it's totally important. Ready? The concept of volume is the space that occupies a piece of matter. Ready? So we have matter that can be represented in this marker. My body has matter. This bottle has matter. This glass can be, of course, has matter and occupy a space in the universe. Ready? If maybe you know, teacher, the atoms are not made up by matter, so they don't have volume because I can see with my eyes that has a volume. So remember, all the things that occupy a space in the universe has matter and of course can be represented in a volume measurement. Ready? So in this moment I'm going to show you some different units that maybe you have heard any time about the measure of volume. Ready? We have the milliliters, the gallons, the centimeters cube, the barrels. Ready? But it's important to determine the system international unit that exists, that is the milliliters. Ready? So everyone in this world need to know what is a milliliter and what is the equivalency of 1 milliliter to measure all the products. Ready? So if you see, some different elements has volume. In this case, my bottle of water has 600 milliliters. Ready? It says that if I'm going to fill my bottle with a liquid with more quantities of 600 milliliters, of course it's not going to function. Ready? Why? Because it's not it's so overpassing the volume. Ready? So for that reason, it's a common object. We have maybe some different things like this, that is a bottle to pack maybe one yogurt or maybe one kumis or maybe one lactose or one liter of milk. So that shows that needs to measure with different things. Ready? The system international unit to measure the volume, are the milliliters. And maybe you remember this table. Teacher, you explained me something like that in mass and length. And of course can be represented using the equivalence scale. We have the liters, deciliters, centiliters, and milliliters. Bigger we have the decaliters, the hectoliters, and the kiloliters. Ready? So how can I calculate or what represent 1 liter in milliliters? 1 liter in milliliters are 1000 milliliters. Ready? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Teacher, how can I represent or how many centiliters are in 1 liter? So I have to erase 100. How many deciliters? 10. Ready? So, if you remember, this scale was the same for the activity that we made in the measurements of the mass and length. So, I'm going to start, of course, explaining the calculus of regular shapes. Ready? So, for that, we have to know some different ideas. Of course, we have to explain what is a regular shape. Ready? Regular and irregular shape. Ready? So, a regular shape in calculus or to geometry or to in math, it's a shape that has geometrical shapes or geometrical figures. Ready? That has this shape. An irregular is that doesn't have geometrical shapes. Teacher, I don't remember what are the geometrical shapes. Don't forget the triangle, the square, the circle, excuse me. Ready? So I can represent the volume on some different regular shapes. Of course, that we are going to start with this new topic. Ready? Explaining the modes or the methodology to calculate the volume in these figures. Ready? So I'm going to start using the models that I'm going to show in a moment.